want some? Oh.
Right over your head.
Hey!
I've been trying to hit you in the back of the head. Where'd the big fish go? Where'd he go? Hiding?
There's a snapping turtle in there?
Uh-huh, somewhere.
Gotta get.
I hit you with one. Right there, grab it. Oh, sorry. My hand was just in front of the camera. Move your head, chubby. Oh, was that the big one? It had to have been. Surely the little ones don't make that much noise. Right there he is, look. Right in front of you. Going to the right. Up. You don't see him? Right. There. Up there. See him? Carp. Sorry if you guys hear wind. It is pretty windy. That's probably all they hear is there. No, you gotta tear it up. It won't eat that. Ooh.
Do they have babies?
Yeah.
There's a big one. Hey, David, come on. Are you gonna get your computer?
Oh, here.
If you do, we can start using your camera.
I want to get a dash thing that I can use my phone on. So I wanted to go to Walmart for. If Dad says it's okay to take my carbon camera, I'll probably go to Walmart. Woo, guys, it is cold. Literally earlier, it was warm and sunny, and now it's sunny and cold.
I think we have like 29 subscribers now.
Yeah. Yay.
Right?
Oh, there's the big fish. I wish my camera doesn't have enough
When we
detail.
get to 50, are we going to do like a subscriber count?
Hold on, I'm going to try and
Like,
walk
not
down
a
here.
subscriber count, but like
Look, right there he is. Oh, it just landed right on top of him.
Oh my god. He's not looking. Right whenever we look away.
Uh-huh. I'm going to sit my apple down.
Can I see if they'll eat this?
They'll choke on it.
Really?
There it goes. Hold on. Oh, God. I just about fell.
Wouldn't it be funny if I fell later or no?
No. You know how deep it is in there? This is our pond, or my pond, guys.
Yeah, this is my pond.
Took your picture.
Are you going to show me your car?
Oh, you guys want to see my car?
Yeah.
Oh! I wish my camera would pick it up. You can't see it. All you see is like the reflection of the trees. There's huge fish in there, guys. And it's like right there. can't see it.
Yeah,
All right.
maybe I'll walk in with the camera under a waterproof
Dude,
camera
walk
and
in
get the
with-
snapping turtle.
Oh, you know what would be cool? Putting your GoPro thing in there. Just sitting it underwater, like right there, and point it that way so they can see it. Why didn't you bring it?
It's in my bag.
Oh.
In the house.
Why didn't you bring it outside? Alright, we're gonna pause this, and the next thing you'll see is my car.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this sky. It's really pretty over here, and then... Dun dun dun!
Ruined.
Yeah. Alright, so here's my car. Sorry about my
Herbie!
sniffles. It's freezing out here.
Herbie!
Hi, Herbie. Where are you at?
Hey guys, this is my favorite part.
Oh yeah, this is his favorite part.
We gotta add music with this. Dun 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 dun.
You can put your key in there and unlock
But
it.
she
I don't
lost
want
it.
anybody to see
She
my...
lost her thing.
Someone stole my temporary tags. I had to get new ones. It's not very fancy inside. As you can see, I need to vacuum again. And a sheet in the back
if you had the keys,
for
you
my
could show 'em
dogs
that
in here.
light thing.
Oh yeah. We
Maybe
might
if
go
we
to
go to
Walmart.
Walmart.
The flash one.
How do I look? I look beautiful.
That's so beautiful.
Okay.
Dad's truck. Okay. Well, bye.
So hold on.
That was just don't hit their house. These are our mean neighbors. They don't like us. Oh, now go get it. Alright, guys. Well, we're going to go. We might get a Walmart later. Sorry, probably all you can hear is wind. Alright, bye.
Are we coming back?
Say bye.
Bye. Bye, senor.